and I was a teacher while I was in St. Lucia. There were two boys in my class, and some days they seemed to be sleeping in the class. So I went home and I spoke to my mother about it. She said, maybe they are hungry. And then I went to my principal and we set up a food program in the school. If children are coming to school hungry, they can't learn, and we should always do whatever we can to help people. I worked as a reporter in the newspaper and decided at that time, if I was going to be a serious reporter, then I needed to get an education. That's why I came to Canada to attend TMU. It had a reputation for embracing all kinds of people. I'm taking courses in philosophy, economics, history, political science. This whole big world is exploding in front of me. And then I went back to St. Lucia, working as the editor of the Radio St. Lucia. The mandate of a national radio station is not to further a political agenda. We got into lots of fights about that. They were trying to dictate to me what stories I should run. That's why I ultimately got fired. In 1978, I got a job at CBC. Then I decided to go to law school. I thought if I was a lawyer, and I would deal with these politicians who had fired me and run me out in the first place. In 1990, I became an assistant crown attorney in Oshawa, and in 1999, I became a judge. I've always been quite active in the community. I have served as chairman of Caribana, served on the board of the Canadian International Development Organization. I am part of a group that took the notion from university that a university degree not only is good for you, but also gives you the responsibility to go out and build your community.